Hi, the bookmarks section is essentially a mini CRM that lives within LeadShark. And I will tell you what this means actually. We can start by searching anyone that's on LinkedIn and add them to our bookmarks. So if I search my own name, I'm already within the bookmarks. If I, search, let's say John, which is a random name, and okay, this is my friend actually from college. So I can add him to my bookmarks section by clicking this add to bookmarks button. And I can do several different things once I add someone to bookmarks. I can also, if you remember from our previous video, add lead from the leads section to my bookmarks, which is my CRM. Once I have someone new, let's say John here, um, I can add different things to different tags to this person, such as a customer, their interested, their user, etc. And I can create these custom tags up top here by manage tags, by clicking the manage tags. So I can create any tag that I want and then assign them to anyone that I have down below here. So here, after adding tags, I can also add notes to this person or to this lead as well. So I can say we had a meeting on March 13th, and this is what happened in the meeting. I can add notes to this person, and I can add tags to this person as well, which makes it like a CRM essentially. And we can also do different things like see their followers, see their connections if they are connected with us on LinkedIn as well. Here I can go literally see every single connection that John has uh, based on being connected with them. If I wasn't connected with John, I can only see our mutual connections in this section. Um, Similar to the lead section, I can enrich the details of this person, see their experience, see their education without triggering a profile view. So they wouldn't actually see that, I looked at their profile, but I can go, do some prospecting or, research the person before going into a meeting, let's say, um, from directly from LeadShark. And I can also analyze the ICP score, basically based on my ICP criteria, which is in the leads video. You can see what ICP settings mean, what every single setting means. But because I have 10 ICP settings, it takes maybe 15-20 seconds to analyze the ICP score of this person. So that is the ICP analysis. And lastly, we can find or enrich their email address. So here, if I click this button, it spends one email enrichment credit, and we would find their email. Most likely, quite fast from LinkedIn, if they have it on LinkedIn. If we cannot find it on LinkedIn, we actually go to Full Enrich, which is a waterfall enrichment provider. And as you can see here, we can also view the explanation of why they are only a 30% match with my criteria. So this is the bookmarks section. So I can also filter based on the tags that I have here, who's my customer, who's, an interested high potential lead essentially. And I can search them, or I can bulk select and bulk manage their tags as well. So I can remove, I can add tags to two people here as a bulk, selection. And lastly, this is the saved post section within our bookmarks. What this is actually pulls your saved posts from LinkedIn. And I know that most people have a lot of saved posts that they have a hard time managing or even seeing what they are actually. So here I can see all of my saved, lead magnets from the past or saved, inspirational posts. It could be, what your competitor is posting, what your potential customer is posting, and you basically go on LinkedIn and save these posts. On LeadShark, you can see all of these posts and create collections based on these posts. A collection is essentially a folder for your saved posts. And I have a lead magnet library here actually, which I made public recently. So you can also make your connection public. And what this means is you can create a link for this collection and use it, let's say, in your lead magnet as a giveaway. So here I had the lead magnet library, which I used it in one of my giveaways. So you can use it either publicly or privately as well, these collections. So that's in a nutshell what you can do with bookmarks. and I know that's a lot to unpack. There's a lot of things going on. Also, you can see the LinkedIn posts of this person, which will show you all of their recent posts. You can easily engage with their posts directly from LeadShark. So I could theoretically go see this person's most recent posts and actually like them directly from LeadShark as well. Let's see. So I haven't liked this post yet, and I can go and like this post directly within LeadShark. I can see who commented on their posts as well. So there's a lot of things that you can do within the bookmarks section. So actually, it is like a powerful CRM. But I hope that was helpful, and see you in the next video.